This is Math 99, practice test 1. This is question number 15, and it says a boat can travel 9 miles up a river in the same amount of time it takes to travel 11 miles down the same river. If the current is 2 miles per hour, what is the speed of the boat in still water? So a couple assumptions here. One of them is the river flows at a constant rate. The other is the boat goes at a constant rate. So we'll just make that assumption. And notice we're dealing with a couple things here, distance, rate, and time. And one thing that we know about this relationship between these three things is that distance equals rate times time. So one thing we know is we know the distance that both traveled, both upriver and downriver. So I'm going to start to make a little table I can keep track of things in. So let's do the distance. When it's going upriver, the distance is 9. When it's going down the river, same amount of time it takes to travel 11 miles. So when it's going, downstream would be 11. Oh, the same amount of time. I know the time is the same. The two times are equal to each other. That'll help me. So let me get this idea of rate. If the current is 2 miles per hour, so when it's going upriver, it's actually being pushed back by the current at a rate of 2 miles per hour. So its rate is actually 2 less than it would be if it was in still water. And when it's going downriver, it's getting pushed along. So its rate actually increases by 2. So I know that this time is going to be equal to this time. I also know that rate times time equals distance. Rate times time equals distance. So if I want to know the time, I'm going to divide both sides by r. Notice that time is distance divided by rate. So if I know the distance and I know the rate, I can go distance divided by rate. That gives me how long it takes this boat to travel this far at this rate. Same thing here, distance divided by rate. And since I know those times are equal to each other, I can set them equal to each other. The first time is equal to the second time. And so now I just have a problem where I want a common denominator. So I'll make this one into a multiply it by r plus 2, multiply this one by r minus 2. So now I have 9 times r plus 2 equals 11 times r minus 2. Whoops, sorry, that's an r. Alright, and now I just need to solve this. So distribute that 9 into there. 9r plus 18. Distribute that 11 into there, 11r minus 22. And keep working to solve. Add 22. 20, 30, that's 40. Subtract 9r. That's 2. Divide both sides by 2. R is 20. And what is the speed of the boat in still water? So it's 20, I think it's miles per hour.